Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Alicia Jones and I'm back again with a new video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a try on haul, but before we get into the try on haul, we're going to be talking about just a little quick minute about Quadpay. So I've been seeing Quadpay. The other one is Klarna. I think it's Klarna. But I purchased my Fashion Nova stuff using Quadpay. I actually purchased my stuff on Sunday night. And I got my items Wednesday. And my total was $171 and some change. And in order to have my order go through, I had to pay a portion of my balance, which was $43. So I have, I think 4 more payments of $43. But the thing I like the most and what stood out to me is I am not finished paying for it and I got my stuff. So I was under the impression that you order the stuff, you don't get your stuff until you pay your stuff off. Nope. I literally bought my stuff this past Sunday. I got my stuff Wednesday and I was like, oh my gosh. So I downloaded the app on my phone. Every time I need to log in, they send a PIN code to my phone. I guess that's, you know, like, so there won't be any fraud or nobody will purchase anything using your information. But it's really convenient because if you want to get some gifts for anybody, or if you just want to get some clothes for vacation or anything, you just need them right then and there, you can get them and then you can just keep paying on it. So if you get paid every 2 weeks, that's perfect because, you know, it just works. So I'm glad that I discovered that, and I'm kind of glad that I didn't, because now I'm gonna be like buying all this stuff. Real talk, you guys. So starting off, they give you a balance of I think my balance is like, I'll link it, it's like $200 and some dollars and some change. I think that's how much they give you to spend, but I love it. So once I paid the $43, I got a notification saying that my order was approved. And you guys, I got my stuff so quick. But let's go ahead and get in with the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know, have you guys used Quadpay? Have y'all used Klarna? What was your experience with them? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get on with the try on. Okay, y'all, so the first outfit I'm gonna show y'all with my Quadpay purchase. This is the lounge around set. This was on sale, but I got it in a small because, like, the leggings, I like them to be a little bit looser, but this came as a set and I got it in a small, and it's the lounge around set. I like this. I can see myself chilling, going shopping, you know, getting groceries in this. This is cute. And I like that it's high-waisted. Like, you could dress this up, you could dress it down with a little handbag, you know what I'm saying? Some sneakers, you can do some sneakers with this, you can do some heels with this. It's real cute, and I like this right here too. Okay, y'all, so this is the Perfect Touch pant set. I got this in a medium, and it feels really good, but when I was pulling it up, trying to get it above my hips, it was snap, crackling, popping, baby. I'm like, uh-oh, please do not rip. But this is really cute. Like, the pants are super baggy. It's really comfy. I like that it's high-waisted, you know what I'm saying? So I really like that so much. Here's the back. I like it. It's so comfy though. It's so comfy. I love long sleeves. I love to do this a lot with my shirt. And some people ask sometimes, not often, what my measurements are. I'm 5'3". I don't know none of my hip and waist measurements. All I know is I'm 5'3" and I'm like 140. So there you go. All right, y'all. So the next set is the Hustle Baby Hustle set. Hustle hard. All right, so I do like this. I got this in a large. Like, all my sizes are just going here. They like going up, down, whatever. So this I got in a large. I do wish that it came up a little bit, maybe like right there, you see, because I got stretch marks and I like for them to be concealed, you know. So, but this is cute. I like it. That's the back. It ain't doing nothing for my butt though. I don't like that. I don't like that. But it's cute, you guys. It's cute, it's simple, Definitely, I got like a little Nike, black and white Nike bag I can throw on and, you know, throw some shoes on. Like, you can work out in this. This is cute. Is it squat approved? But I like it though. It's cute, it's nice, it's comfy. All right, y'all. So this is probably my favorite outfit. It's the Rugrats outfit. I got this in a large just because when I wear stuff like this, I just like to be comfy. I don't really like tight stuff if I don't have to be in it. Like if I'm going to like dinner and I'm trying to be extra cute or sexy, then it's cool. But for the most part, I'm chill and I like to be comfy. You know what I'm saying? I grew up on Rugrats. I'm a Rugrats stan. I watched Rugrats last night. This is so cute. I think this was the only color they had though. But it's cool because I need some color. So I'm not complaining. But this is what the pants looks like. This is the drawstring. And I got a lot of room to work with. You know what I'm saying? I tied the drawstring though. But alright y'all. So the next outfit we got. This is the new Digits Leggings Set. I like this. Y'all, I went more comfy with this haul, but I like this. You see, it got them digits right there. Then it got some digits right here on the leg. This is so cute. I like it. It also comes with a hood. It's just comfy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got this in a medium, and this is the new Digits Leggings Set. Got this in a medium. So cute. All right, y'all. So we got the spicy leggings set. So I think Fashion Nova messed up a little bit because they sent me the size 1X pants, but this was supposed to be the set. The shirt is a large, but the pants are a 1X. So I got the jeans. Y'all, I love Fashion Nova jeans. I bought my first pair in what, 2019, and I don't even know why I haven't bought any more pairs. But if you're wondering about Fashion Nova jeans, yes, purchase them. My favorite, I love the high-waisted ones. I got some blue jean ones, but the way they make my butt look is remarkable, extravagant. Like, I saw my butt in the jeans and I was like, my gosh. So I got these. These are size 13. The size I do have already is an 11, but they're tight. They not too tight, but they tight. These I got a little bit more room in. Y'all see? Do y'all see that? No? You see what I'm saying? Don't get me started. Don't get me started. I like this. I'ma just wear it like this. I'ma just donate the pants. I don't even feel like trying to send them back and get some. I don't feel like doing all that. So I'ma donate those. I'ma keep this and I'ma just wear it like this. I mean, it ain't nothing wrong with it. So these, I think these were marked as extra high, but they're 13. They skinny high-waisted jeans and I love them. Now this is a little bit snug for my liking. So when I wash it, I'm gonna have to not put it in the dryer. Look at this, y'all. All I did is been trying on clothes. Look like I literally been in a fight. But I love this shirt. It's so alright, y'all. So the next one, this dress I was thinking about wearing for Valentine's Day is called At My Best Midi dress. So I got this in a medium, and I gotta be honest, like how it looked on a model, I thought it was gonna be a different material. It got a slit. It's cute, but I just thought it was gonna look different. So this is what the back looks like. I just put my bra on. I just left it on. But that's what it looks like. It's cute. I like it. I need to tighten it up in the back a little bit. I could have probably went with a small, but we just gonna stick with the medium. That's this dress. It's cute. All right, y'all. So this was gonna be another potential Valentine's Day dress. This is the Alley Midi dress. I got this in a medium. The fit is good. It's really stretchy. It's really nice. It shows everything, so you're gonna want to wear a G-string with this, or if you go commando, go commando. This is what the back looks like. I like this so much. I like it. It's cute. It's so cute. It's plain and simple, but you can really dress it up, put on some cute makeup and do it up, and you can be popping with it because it's really cute and it's comfy. It's not too tight. It's stretchy. I mean, but y'all, look at the back though. Like, it looks so cute. No, I'm being silly now, but All right, you guys, that is pretty much it for this Fashion Nova haul. They also give you like an available balance. So it says 261.21, 268.21. So I guess that's how much I'll be able to spend on here. And they got so many stores on here: Amazon, Walmart, Nike, Macy's, Fashion Nova. Ooh, they got GameStop on here. Abercrombie and Fitch, Ace Hardware, American Eagle, ASOS. Ooh, ASOS. So all right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know, what's your favorite outfit? Which one did you like the most? Have you used Quadpay before? If you did, let me know your experiences. How did you like them? And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.